Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I wanted to do a project share. Now, last year I had bought this kit from Happy Crafter, Lisa, who is, also has her Happy Crafter shop. And in this kit, it contained, I have things kind of like spread all around everywhere, but it had this 6x6 paper pad by Carta Bella. It's called the Flower Garden. I love this collection. And she also included like little brads and stickers. We have ephemera pieces, and then we have some of these little flower clay bits. We have some of these yellow flower clay bits, and then also there's a bunch of different charms in here. We have these cute little resin flowers. We have some lobster clasps, some white pom-poms, some of these really cute pink sequin bows. Here's some more charms that are in there. And then this cute button for cute. And then also the little flowers market stand, whatever, the little wheeling market die. So that was what was in, I think that was everything, right? Of course, I used the majority of it. And so I've been kind of in a rut. I've been going through a lot of things, and still trying to maintain myself. And sometimes a paper collection will speak to me more than anything, like when you just don't have anything to craft, or it's, you know, nothing is really like, oh, you know, whatever. Sometimes a paper collection will really like help bring that out. So that's what I did. I decided to pull out the kit, and I went ahead and did a little something, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So before I get into all of that, make sure you're subscribed to your girl, okay? And make sure you like the video, okay? All right? So let's see what I made. So I created this little like file folder box ordeal, and this is kind of a play on a couple things. It's kind of a play on the accordion bookcase that I had just did a tutorial on not too long ago, and then it kind of have like a bit of a mixture of Kayla Crafts, hey girl, from her little like suitcase ordeal that she had made a few years ago. And so it kind of has a little bit of mixture of all of that. This thing measures, I can't even remember, 6 inches wide, I believe. Yep, 6 inches. It stands up as 6 inches tall. And I have the accordion style sides here. Oops. This right here going on the sides. Now, I do have a tutorial that will be coming for this. I have to do some tweaks. And then also I changed the measurements of things in that video. So like, you know, when you change things, we don't want to have to redo a whole new video and having to edit that and this, that, and the other. It takes a little bit longer than you really want to, okay? So, but this is the front of it. I used some Cuddle Me Clay flowers. You know, she's one of my flower dealers. And then these are some of the pieces from the kit here. The ephemera used, I added some button galore buttons. Here are like the little brad pieces that were also included. So really, really cute. And then I have it Velcro closed, and it opens up like this. So once I take everything out, you'll have a full extension of what this piece looks like. So first off, oh no, come back. I did my little flower cart die, and I created these embellishments. There's another one, and it fell off too. You know, these removable sticky dots are actually pretty removable because they keep falling off. And so I used the lobster clasp here, and I made one of these little wristlet charm ordeals, and I used the charms from the kit, and then I also added some beads on there just to give it a little fun thing. And this is the KS Craft little die, but it's supposed to stick on like so. It has a mind of its own. But here I used some little wooden leaf pieces, again some Cuddle Me flowers, added some trim on there. Here's another one of those brads, and then I added one of the little wooden beads I got from Dollar Tree, and then this is the same, just on the opposite end. So super cute. And then of course I made a sequin mix because why not? And this probably will eventually be going to someone. I'm gonna add a few more things in here. And again, just pulling the colors from the collection and making this gorgeous little mix here. Delicious. And then here is the bigger KS craft tag, and I did some bows, again adding some beads on there and this cute little butterfly charm that's also part of the kit. And I did that on this one as well. And then another one of these little lanyards using the lobster clasp, and again the charms from the kit. And then the last thing I made here, I've been going through my things, like, oh, you know, kind of seeing like what I want to keep, what I want to part ways with, and like, oh, I haven't used this. Let's, you know, go ahead and see if I fancy it at all. So this is a Elena Cuddle die. And it comes with like these 3 layers here, and so I cut all the layers, I popped them up on dimension, added some trim going across, used some of the ephemera from the collection, added these wooden butterflies again with the bee, added the little brads there, says beautiful day, and then added that little flower cluster from Cuddle Me Clay. So this is really cute. Like, it's really easy. Like, you just throw it on a card front if you want to, or if you're doing like a book or something like that. Really cute to add on the front there. So yeah, and then here is how this works. So these actually move forward. They are on like a little hinge system here, so they do move forward and back. So after I do post a tutorial, if you want to add more or revamp it so you can add more dividers, you can. It does have a little pocket in the front on the front of both of them, and I add like little file tabs on there as well, so you're just like, what am I looking for, you know what I'm saying? And it's really cute. I think it's cute. I don't know, I mean, you tell me. I mean, I'm just here to show you, but I think that this turned out super cute. It's one of those things where it's like, I envisioned it, I started putting it together, and you know, Jesus lead the way kind of thing. So, but this is like a really quick project share. I really hope you guys enjoyed what I made. Like I said, I'm probably going to send this out to someone. I owe Happy Meal to like 40 million people. And like when your life is busy, you kind of just, yeah. And so, that is my creation. So again, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl when you have the opportunity. You know, that button's just like right down there, you know, it's not too far away. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.